Welcome everyone, and we're glad to meet you through this video. So you will learn about the new step in YouTube. But this step is concerned about something that YouTube add in the channel. It's just about the post. But to do so, you have to go on your YouTube studio, and then before you used to see where you may upload a video. For example, you can see on my screen where you can upload a video, and generally you used to do some lives too. But now you're gonna be able to create a post. For example, I'm gonna create a post. This is just an example. So if I need to create a post, how can you do that? For example, I will create a post to link the the person or the people on my English channel. For example, this post I can just call it "This is my English channel that I love too much." I just use this one. But what can I do? I can just put a video. But what I'm gonna do is that I will upload a video according to attach it to this post. But this video is not came from my channel. For example, this video search, I can search one minimal. So by clicking on this, I can search it through internet, especially YouTube. I tap the name Neymar, but I don't need that. If I have the URL, then I may pass it here in order to find the video. But if it was from my channel, I can just click here and I will just find it over my channel. So this is all of my video on my channel. But I will just use another channel. So let me just go right now on YouTube from another channel. Also sorry for the motorcycle because yeah, they use motorcycle too much. And then I will type TST4. Okay, I'm looking for the video, the link that I'm gonna post. The internet is slow. Okay, this is my channel. So I just passing by my channel because the channel that I'm looking for is just attached with this one. Exactly. Yeah, MSC. This is the channel that I will post the video for. ASMC is a channel where you may go and learn some English too. For example, I can use this video. Yeah, about the Google presentation account. I just make the right click and send, copy the link locations, and then back to the post. I will pass the link here, and then it's gonna be uploading the video. Exactly. This is the video from TST channel. Oh no, from MRC channel. Then I will just post here, and I select, and I can schedule the post. For example, if I schedule it, it is June 6, 2020, and it is 11:14 now. I will schedule it for 11:14. I can make it for 12 a.m. Yes, I can schedule it for that because this is the after 30 minutes I can do that. Let me see. But today, yeah, 11:45. So that means from today, after 30 minutes, this video will be live to the people in order to help them see that this post. Then okay, no problem, no problem. I already schedule it and the visibility just public. Yeah, no problem, nothing else. And then click on schedule. and right after 11:45 the video will be public for all of the people who desire to see my post, and then they may explore it. So this is it, how you may explore the new tapes in YouTube. So go or create a post. Please don't forget to subscribe. As you can see that, go on the channel, tap the TST4 and then subscribe. And also you may type our website also, topservicestechnology.com, and then you will find some services and then about the news and more information. Please share it and leave a comment below, and then subscribe and share it with your friend. Okay, see you for the next video, please.